The Vibrant Journey of Frida Kahlo. A Colorful Beginning. Imagine a world filled with color, pain, and passion. This is the world of Frida Kahlo. Born in Mexico in 1907, she faced many challenges from a young age. These challenges shaped her art and her life. But how did this young girl become a famous artist? Early life and struggles. Frida grew up in a house called La Casa Azul. This house was full of color and love. Her father was a photographer and her mother was a painter. But life was not easy for her. At 6, Frida got polio. This disease made her right leg weak. Despite this, Frida loved to paint. She found joy in art. Every stroke of her brush was like a step forward, but more challenges were coming her way. When she was 18, a terrible accident changed her life forever. The bus accident. One day in 1925, Frida took a bus ride. On this bus, a terrible accident happened. She was hit by a car. Frida suffered many injuries. Her spine was hurt, and she had many broken bones. During her long recovery, she started painting again. In bed, she painted self-portraits. These portraits showed her pain, her feelings, and her spirit. This is where she found her unique style. Her art became a way to express her emotions. But what kind of art did she create? A unique style. Frida's paintings are bold and vibrant. She used bright colors and strong images. Her art often included elements of Mexican culture. She used flowers, animals, and traditional clothing in her work. But it was her self-portraits that truly captured her essence. In these self-portraits, Frida showed her pain and her strength. Many people think her art is only about sadness. However, it is much more than that. It is about identity, love, and resilience. She painted her life and dreams. But what inspired her to keep going? Love and pain. Frida loved passionately. In 1931, she married famous painter Diego Rivera. Their love story was intense and full of ups and downs. They lived a colorful life, but also faced many challenges together. Frida's love for Diego often showed in her art. However, their marriage was difficult. They had many fights and even divorced. But like her art, Frida found strength in her pain. This complexity made her work deeper. It made people think. Many believe that Frida's art reflects a woman's struggle for identity. But was there more to her story? A hidden truth. Most people think that Frida's life was only sad and tragic. But here is a little-known secret. She was also a very fun person. She loved to laugh and enjoyed life. Her parties were colorful, like her paintings. Frida danced and celebrated with friends. She was a strong woman who fought for her beliefs. She wanted to share her culture and the struggles of women. This joy and celebration are important parts of her art. Frida found ways to bring light into her dark times. Legacy of Frida Kahlo. Frida Kahlo passed away in 1954, but her art and spirit live on. Today, she is one of the most celebrated artists in the world. Many young artists see her as an inspiration. They admire her courage, creativity, and ability to express herself. Her paintings hang in museums. They tell stories of pain, love, and passion. Frida used art to speak for herself and for many women. She showed that art can heal. Her legacy inspires people to embrace their true selves. What can we learn from her journey? Your own colorful world. Frida Kahlo's life is a beautiful story of resilience. She faced many obstacles and did not give up. Her vibrant art continues to inspire people. What color do you think best describes your life? Frida showed us that every experience, good or bad, adds color to our world. As you think about Frida's journey, consider your own. How do you express your feelings? Like Frida, we all have the power to create our stories. Every brushstroke is a step towards expressing who we are. What is your story, and how does it inspire others? What do you think about using art to express feelings? Have you ever tried painting or drawing your emotions? Share your experiences.